unlocking the secrets to a woman's heart, mastering emotional connection and understanding. Winning a woman's heart goes beyond surface-level attraction, delving deep into the realms of emotional connection and understanding. It's about recognizing the nuanced intricacies of her desires and fears, crafting a bond built on genuine affection and mutual respect. Building an emotional connection is paramount. Strategies like sharing personal stories and actively engaging in her interests pave the way for deeper bonds. It's about creating moments that foster intimacy and trust, laying the foundation for a relationship that transcends the superficial. Active listening plays a crucial role in understanding a woman's genuine needs. It's not just about hearing her words, but also interpreting the emotions and thoughts behind them. This attentiveness signals respect and care, cornerstones of a strong emotional connection. Navigating social narratives is vital in today's relationship landscape. Countering negative societal influences means fostering a relationship based on equality and mutual respect. It's about challenging stereotypes and societal expectations to build a partnership that's truly supportive and empowering. The impact of social media on relationship expectations cannot be underestimated. It often distorts reality, setting unrealistic standards for relationships. Recognizing and discussing these influences can help in managing expectations, ensuring they are based on genuine desires rather than societal pressures. Embarking on a self-awareness journey is pivotal for a healthy relationship. Understanding oneself paves the way for emotional maturity, allowing one to engage in more genuine and meaningful connections. It's about recognizing personal patterns, strengths, and areas for growth. Developing emotional maturity involves honing one's ability to handle emotions constructively. It's about responding rather than reacting. Techniques like mindfulness and reflective journaling can foster resilience, enabling individuals to navigate relationship challenges with grace and empathy. Confident leadership within a relationship strikes a delicate balance. It requires assertiveness to voice one's needs and desires while being sensitive to a partner's feelings. This duality promotes a harmonious dynamic where both individuals feel valued and heard. Recognizing and respecting her opinions is fundamental. Making decisions together not only strengthens the bond but also ensures that both partners feel equally invested in the relationship's direction. It's a testament to mutual respect and understanding. Understanding her needs goes beyond the superficial. It's about peering into her core desires and aspirations. This deep understanding fosters a profound connection, bridging the gap between mere companionship and a truly empathetic partnership. Embracing vulnerability is a potent way to connect deeply with a woman. Sharing your fears and dreams openly invites her to do the same, fostering a bond built on trust and mutual understanding. This openness paves the way for a relationship where both partners feel seen and valued. Maintaining individuality within a relationship is crucial. It allows each partner to bring their unique strengths and perspectives to the table, enriching the relationship. By supporting each other's interests and pursuits, you create a dynamic partnership where both individuals can thrive. Jealousy, miscommunication, and neglect can severely undermine a relationship. Overcoming these common pitfalls requires a commitment to open, honest communication and a willingness to address issues head-on. This proactive approach helps to build a stronger, more resilient bond. Cultivating a supportive environment is about more than just being there for each other. It involves actively encouraging her ambitions and dreams, celebrating her successes, and offering comfort in times of failure. This level of support demonstrates your investment in her happiness and well-being. Effective communication is key to expressing feelings and desires in a relationship. It's not just about speaking, but also about listening and understanding your partner's perspective. By mastering this art, you can navigate the complexities of a relationship with empathy and love. The art of compromise lies in finding a harmonious balance where both partners feel heard and valued. It's about mutual satisfaction, where decisions reflect both individuals' needs and desires, fostering a deeper connection and respect within the relationship. Keeping the spark alive demands creativity and willingness to explore new ways to sustain passion. It's about continuously discovering each other and investing in moments that rekindle the flame, ensuring the relationship remains vibrant and fulfilling over time. Addressing conflicts with healthy strategies is crucial for any relationship's longevity. It involves open communication, understanding, and a willingness to see from the other's perspective, transforming disagreements into opportunities for growth and strengthening the bond between partners. Empathy plays a pivotal role in understanding a partner's experience and viewpoint. By putting oneself in their shoes, one can foster a deeper emotional connection, paving the way for a relationship built on genuine understanding and compassion. Encouraging emotional growth within a relationship means supporting each other's personal development journeys. It's about creating a safe space for vulnerability, where both partners can evolve and flourish, enriching their relationship with every step forward together. Building a future together is about aligning your dreams and goals with hers. It's a journey of shared aspirations where both partners actively work towards common objectives, ensuring that both individual and collective ambitions are nurtured and pursued with equal enthusiasm. The importance of creating shared experiences cannot be overstated. These are the building blocks of your relationship's unique story. Whether it's traveling together, pursuing a shared hobby, or simply enjoying quiet moments, these experiences forge deeper connections and lasting memories. Nurturing trust goes beyond just being faithful. It's about being reliable, transparent, and open in your communication. Trust is the foundation upon which a strong, enduring relationship is built, and it requires consistent effort from both partners to maintain and deepen. A healthy balance between togetherness and independence is crucial. Spending quality time together is important, but so is supporting each other's need for personal space and individual pursuits. This balance ensures that both partners feel fulfilled and valued both within and outside the relationship. Addressing financial matters openly is key to a healthy partnership. Open discussions about finances, budgeting, and future planning can prevent misunderstandings and build a strong foundation for making joint decisions about your financial future together. The significance of family and friends in a relationship cannot be overstated. These key figures play a crucial role in the dynamic of your partnership, offering support, advice, and enriching your shared life with meaningful connections and experiences. Maintaining respect in a relationship is fundamental. It acts as the cornerstone of a healthy and loving partnership, ensuring that both individuals feel valued, heard, and appreciated. Without respect, the foundation of the relationship becomes shaky and susceptible to breakdown. Gratitude and appreciation are powerful tools in strengthening the bonds of a relationship. Regularly expressing thankfulness for each other's actions and qualities can elevate the emotional climate of a partnership, fostering a deeper connection and mutual respect. In conclusion, winning a woman's heart is a journey of understanding and emotional connection. By valuing the role of family and friends, maintaining respect, and practicing gratitude, a relationship can flourish. These principles lay the groundwork for a partnership filled with love and mutual growth. Encouraging viewers to apply these principles in their relationships can lead to more meaningful connections. By actively working on these aspects, individuals can create a foundation for a relationship that not only survives but thrives, filled with mutual understanding, respect, and love.